Croatia is one of the safest and most beautiful countries in the world, known for its breathtaking Adriatic coastline with over 1,200 islands. A country with extraordinary potential in real estate. Our current situation is challenging for all stakeholders. It needs a change, it needs a structural change, it needs a model built around entrepreneurs and agents. Keller Williams business approach built around agent-centric economic model, technology, education, and culture of the shared success represents the best strategy for Croatian market. We believe that Croatian agents and entrepreneurs deserve a platform that will help them grow their businesses both locally and globally. Keller Williams family of entrepreneurs will help them along the way. Join us. Welcome to Keller Williams Croatia.